Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Firebase project and enabling cloud messaging. This is essential. Once done, generate a service account JSON and note the server key so your server can authenticate. Next, add the Firebase SDK to your mobile or web app and implement the permission prompt so users can opt in. Make sure to initialize with the project config values and confirm the app registers a device token. That token is what you will target to deliver notifications. Now you build the sending flow on your server using the Firebase Admin SDK or the HTTP v1 API. Choose one method and stick with it. Use the service account JSON to authenticate, then construct a payload that separates notification, title/body, from data key-value pairs. Target recipients by device token, topic subscription, or condition. Make sure to handle responses, retry on transient errors, delete invalid tokens, and log failures. Finish by deploying your sending service and scheduling any recurring notifications. Once done, monitor delivery metrics in the Firebase console. In the client, implement handlers for foreground messages, background display, and notification click actions so the user experience is consistent. If something goes wrong, first verify your service account key and API permissions, then confirm device tokens are current and not expired. Also inspect API error codes for invalid argument or unauthorized to quickly pinpoint fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.